Hey everyone, welcome back to Your Cryptosphere. Today we have a fascinating topic that's sure to spark some debate and excitement. What if I told you that Donald Trump has proposed a new initiative called the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE for short? And guess who he wants to lead it? First off, let's break down what the Department of Government Efficiency is all about. In a world where bureaucracy often slows down progress, Trump's vision for DOGE aims to streamline government operations and make them more efficient. But why Musk and Ramaswamy? Well, both are known for their disruptive approaches in their respective fields. Musk revolutionized transportation with Tesla and space travel with SpaceX, while Ramaswamy is shaking up the political landscape with his fresh ideas and entrepreneurial spirit. Let's take a closer look at our potential leaders. Elon Musk is a household name, known for pushing the boundaries of technology. His innovative mindset could bring a much-needed shake-up to government processes. On the other hand, Vivek Ramaswamy, a biotech entrepreneur, has been vocal about the need for a new generation of leadership in politics. Together, they could create a powerhouse team focused on efficiency and innovation. Now let's talk about the public reaction. Social media has been buzzing with opinions. Supporters are excited about the potential for innovation, while skeptics are raising eyebrows. Some are even jokingly referring to DOGE as the Dogecoin of government, a nod to Musk's connection to the cryptocurrency. What do you think? Is this a clever move or just another political stunt? So what does this mean for you and me? If DOGE becomes a reality, we could see a government that operates more like a startup, agile, responsive, and focused on results. Imagine faster approvals for projects, reduced red tape, and a more transparent government. Sounds appealing, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. With such a radical shift, there are bound to be challenges. Critics might argue that bringing in business leaders to run government departments could lead to a profit-driven mentality that overlooks public service. How do we balance efficiency with accountability? That's a question we need to consider as we explore this proposal. Now let's talk about the public reaction. Social media has been buzzing with opinions. Supporters are excited about the potential for innovation, while skeptics are raising eyebrows. Some are even jokingly referring to DOGE as the Dogecoin of government, a nod to Musk's connection to the cryptocurrency. What do you think? Is this a clever move or just another political stunt? So what's next for DOGE? If Trump moves forward with this initiative, we could see a series of proposals and discussions in Congress. It'll be interesting to watch how both Musk and Ramaswamy navigate the political landscape. Will they be able to translate their success in the private sector to the public arena? Only time will tell. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Donald Trump's proposal for the Department of Government Efficiency? Do you think Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy are the right leaders for this initiative? Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring the intriguing concept of the Department of Government Efficiency and the potential leadership of Elon Musk and Vivek Ramaswamy. Your thoughts matter, so don't forget to share your opinions in the comments below. Stay tuned, drop your comments below, and let's get the conversation going. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more engaging content on politics, technology, and everything in between.